Welcome to your turnkey mini farm in the beautiful equestrian community of Pine Ridge Estates. This is an incredible property. It is very unique. It has a charm and custom design like you will not find in any other home in this community. So I'm so excited to show it to you. I'm going to walk you around, let you take in all of the great features that this home brings, and then also just understand the layout and all of the extra things. So I'll tell you a bit about the community in the end, so stay to the end and we'll talk about some of the extra special things about the community. But as you can see, we've got a nice open concept living area. We've got dining, great room, very well appointed kitchen, breakfast nook, tons of light, and then all these beautiful decorative beams throughout that just make this house feel so warm and inviting. We've got the shelving. You have a lot of places to show your collectible items and your special things that are meaningful to you. And notice all of the light fixtures coordinate. You've got this slate tile floor. It's very durable. If you have pets, no worries. Nothing's going to damage this floor. And look at this kitchen. So very nice granite countertops, great workspace, built-in cooktop, so tons of drawers for storage in the kitchen, and then also the built-in microwave and oven. And in addition to these great pull-outs here, which make your pots and pans very accessible, we also have a walk-in pantry. Incredible space, and you can see you can stay very organized with all of the shelving and everything you have here in this pantry. So this house has a metal roof, so that gives you a lot more longevity in the roof. It is 22 years old, certainly has a good life left on it being a metal roof. This is your primary suite. So this is a split bedroom plan. You're noticing, I'm sure, that there are light fans in all of the bedrooms. You'll see the other two bedrooms here in a minute. And this bedroom has an ensuite bath. Couple of things to note here. We've got some built-ins, which you find throughout this very unique custom home. There's lots of built-in storage, and then we have a door right here for easy access to go out to the barn in the back, the pastures. Just doing yard work, you can pop in and out of your main bedroom if that's most convenient for you. Nice shower here, very lovely updates to the shower. We've got the jacuzzi tub. Noticing again, we've got some great windows, so we're getting some really good natural light in. A huge linen closet, so you have plenty of room for your towels and even your bed linens. We've got the water closet area, and then this walks into your walk-in closet. So really a nice layout with the bathroom attached to the closet. You've got your dressing area, and then this is really neat too. The laundry room is right off of that. So everything you need to do as the owner of the home on the daily, you have very conveniently located. There are doors if you wanted to install doors back into these spaces to separate the rooms, but as it stands right now, it's just a nice walk-through setup. So we'll head back now through the main living area again. And just picture popping out here into the kitchen, grabbing your morning coffee, sitting down, looking out to the pasture with the horses, and enjoying a nice, relaxing cup of coffee to start your day. Wood-burning fireplace, beautiful stacked stone, and here we are now on the other side of the house. So right here, and noticing too the country style, we've got these barn doors. You can keep them closed and attached so they're kind of like a regular door, or you can open the top or the bottom or vice versa, however you want to do it. So this is an extra bedroom, a spare bedroom, and it has a closet here, pretty deep closet, so you've got some extra space as well. We have the bathroom here for this side of the house, shower, sink and toilet there. And then we walk into this beautiful room. Again, you're noticing the same decorative features throughout this entire house. Same flooring, Colors flow through. We've got another wood burning fireplace, beautiful nooks for the TVs. Everything just has its place and feels so good. Built-in shelving here and cabinets, built-in cabinets here. Look at this absolutely gorgeous beamed vaulted ceiling, and there's lights in there so you can really enjoy that space. And you have room here for a little office. This could be a game room. This could be so many things. A great flex space. You're probably noticing as well that there's doors that take you outside from all different places within the house. So this is the back bedroom. This could make a nice in-law setup if you have a need for that, because again, it has a separate door entrance here and a beautiful walk-in closet, and it attaches to that living area. So you have that separation for some added privacy with guests. We've got a beautiful porch out back. I'll let you take a look at this. Lovely screened porch, again with the metal roof, screened in so it's very comfortable to sit out here and enjoy looking at the horses in the barn, just the nature that Florida affords you. Another door there we looked at, walking back into the house. We're going to pop out this side door because this door leads on to the detached garage. So this is one of the really fantastic extras that this house has. The detached garage gives you a lot of extra space for storage, parking. You can never have enough storage. Everything is fenced in here. We've got the wire, so if you need, if you've got the pets, the dogs, you're set to go there. And one of the great features about this garage is it has the double bay openings on both sides. So if you need to pull through with utility trailers, with lawnmowers, whatever it may be, you're all set to go in this garage. There are 2 pastures for the 2-stall horse barn that I'm going to show you next. And there's a well for all of the exterior water. The spigots, all your water to your barn, it's all coming off of the well, while the house is supplied by city water. So best of both worlds. This is a little over 2 acres, 2.22 acres. And you can see the cross fencing. We've got a really great setup with separate areas for your horses. Beautiful mature trees. A couple of nice sized horse stalls here. We have our resident horse. Hey there, hi. You're a beauty. And then a separate storage area here off the barn. So this is perfect for your hay, your feed, your tack. All of your barn needs can be right here, right next to your stalls. And then there's an opening, another garage door there. Gives you very convenient access to get equipment out or to bring your supplies, your hay, your feed, all of those things into the barn. Lots of gates providing connection between the different areas, which is really convenient, so that if you are using multiple pastures for separate horses, you have easy access between all of the areas. Or, of course, you can open up the gates and have great access, more pasture area for the horses. So one of the really awesome things about Pine Ridge being an equestrian community, we have 28 miles of horseback riding trails. This property has access to those trails, and it is on the trail that's called Sleepy Hollow, which I will tell you, I feel is one of the most beautiful trails in the community. So you pop right out the back gate there, and you're going to hop on those trails, and you can ride and ride to your heart's content. All right. We're going to pop back inside the house. I want to show you the attached garage. Oops, let's not go through this way. Pop back around this way. So you're getting the exterior view here. We've got a nice fenced in separate area behind the house, so that's perfect for your smaller pets. You've got the front yard fence and these two areas here in the back. Really neat design, the way the house kind of wraps around, and honestly keeps the barn very private in the back, which I think is nice. All right, you're seeing that metal roof. You've got some really nice pitches there. We've got the air conditioner here. And we will pop back in the same door. And I will show you the attached garage. So in addition to the two-car detached garage, you also have an attached garage. Again, extra storage, more parking area. It affords you a lot of options of what you can do with your space. You see here there's a central vacuum system, so that's a convenient thing. And this is a two-car garage, but there is a separate built-in area here that does have, it has previously been air conditioned. I don't know if the unit is still in here. I do understand the air conditioning unit that was in here does not work, but you could air condition this. So you can see this was used as a tack room, so that's quite convenient if you want to keep your tack in a more enclosed space for weather control, climate control. That works really well. So that is our garage. And let me tell you just a little bit about this community while we finish up our tour. We'll pop back through the house. And this is Pine Ridge Estates. So as I mentioned before, it is an equestrian community. It was designed to be for horses. You can have up to 4 horses on this property for the size of it. You can have 2 horses that can live here forever. And then if you're breeding, you could have 2 more horses up until age 2. So you have the ability to have a couple of horses, you know, be able to go trail riding with friends or family. And it's really a fantastic way to have a nice little mini farm and a very nice community that allows you that community feel with other equestrian people. Even if you don't have horses, this house gives you a really nice space. The barn gives you some extras that you can use, and just a really great find. So if you're looking for something like this, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or anyone on my team. I'm Ruth Squires, and we are with eXp Realty, and we are RES Luxury Group. We bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. I'd love to send you the trail map so you can see how the trail system actually winds through the community and also how it connects to this property. So any other information you'd like, we are here to serve you. Just let us know. Have a great day.